I used to shop there nowhere. Yeah. I used to shop there all the time. It's not much like this stuff. I know more. It's just expensive for you. Well, no, as far as I'm concerned, that's how different. But Saks is monstrous. I know Saks. I know where it is. That's what happened. You're riding on your bike. Am I in the way?
No, you can go.
Look at this beautiful table and chairs. Oh my goodness. Look at the princess. Yes.
What do you have? Do you have a riding tour? Who's going bye-bye? Who's going bye-bye? Are you going bye-bye? Are you riding on your car? Want to get up? Want to get up? Now what are we going to do? Now what are we going to do? Sit? Yeah, I'll show you what we're going to do.
Hiya.
Who's here?
This is in the big smile she gave me when I walked into the kitchen.
Hi there.
Hi, Dad.
Daddy's here. Look what Grandma bought you, Gitto. Look what Grandma bought you. I bought you a new Pat the Bunny book. Do you want to come and read a new Pat the Bunny book? It's Pat the Bunny. It's, where's Pat the Bunny? It's time for bed, Bunny. But where is the bunny? I don't know how we got here so early. I thought it was going to take longer from Muriel's.
Hi. It doesn't take long
It
for
doesn't.
mine. It's a straight ride.
We got
You
here
don't.
the same time we would have come left from home. It doesn't. It really doesn't take any longer.
How could you stand it?
Oh, I remember when I come. I
Not
remember when I bought that
bad.
sweater, Ron. I bought that sweater in Ramat Beit Shemesh.
What?
Yeah.
Very cute.
I was looking and
I just took the tags off this morning.
Is it white here?
it was.
Yes, the money's right here.
Oh, did you already have this stuff?
Yeah. Why, what's the matter?
Are you giving a kiss? I heard a kiss.
For me, huh?
Just kiss for Elaine.
For me.
Another kiss? She leaving?
Says see you tomorrow. Stand up, you can talk. You can talk. Go to Daddy. Wow! Well, are we proud or what?
Oh, such a big girl.
So proud. More. Ooh. See, she doesn't need to do the more. She has them right. You don't even have to ask her to say more with the hands. And she'll stop saying.
She says all done. She says all done.
Yeah, I hear her. I know it.
Elbow.
Elbow.
All right, forget it.
Elbow.
Did you sit down?
It's
Did
hysterical.
you sit down? You like to play with Daddy? You like to play standing with Daddy?
Want to walk the camera?
I don't know if
I love those dungarees on her.
Walk the grandma. Walk the grandma.
She's not ready to walk to me
Yes,
yet.
she is. Walk the grandma.
No,
She can't, she's busy right this
She's
second,
really not.
unfortunately, I'm sorry.
Bye. Get to see you tomorrow. Tell me bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Say bye-bye. Kiss.
You gonna walk Elaine to the door? You gonna walk to the door with Elaine? I can't wait. I can't wait. One day, say, soon.
Soon.
Soon, good girl.
Well, it's nice to see you, Elaine.
Good to see you. everybody be well, have a healthy, happy New Year.
The same to
Only
you.
good things for everybody. We should have some peace in this world, right? And tomorrow I see you. Bye, big girl. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Go walk to grandma.
Bye-bye.
Not ready to walk.
Yeah, she's ready, huh? Yes. Walk to grandma.
She wants to walk to daddy.
Walk.
Maybe she's ready to walk to.
Uh-oh.
Do you want to read Pat the Bunny? Do you want to read Pat the Bunny? This is a new book. This says, where's the bunny hiding?
How'd you get your
Is
stroller?
the bunny hiding
They
here?
picked me up at 9:30.
No. Is the bunny hiding under the table?
They want to spend some time with Gil.
No.
Oh, what's your name's coming?
I love that kitchen.
Is the bunny?
What's that?
Make our baby. Make our baby. Put the baby to sleep.
Put the baby to sleep and you put the cover
Make
on.
our baby. Ah, baby. Yes. Yes, ah, baby.
Oh,
Ah, baby.
you kiss the baby? Yes. Peter loves her baby.
Mm. That's two babies. Didn't even have a chance to get over to the American Doll. It'd be to get outfits for the kids' dolls.
You appoint a time, they're not coming to all this stuff.
Yeah.
More video?
Huh? Did you?
I don't know.
You like to ride? Oh, do you like to ride? I like to ride. I like to ride on my little car. Right, with no hands. Until I remember when you couldn't do that. You got so big. Big. Who's big? So big. How big is Gittel? So big. How big is Gittel? So big. Yes, you're so big. Yes, you are. You're a big girl. And a good girl. Are you good? You don't cry. Do you cry? Do you cry? No. Gittel doesn't cry. Gittel doesn't cry. Gittel's a good girl. Who cries? Does the baby cry? How does the baby cry? Good girl? Am I a good? I'm grandma. Can you say grandma? Can you say grandma? And who's that? Saba. Can you say Saba? Saba? Saba?